go ahead and unbox this lamp, this floor lamp right now and set it up. It should be a pretty simple setup. So these metal braces right here, there's 3 of them. And they literally, if you can see this, have 2 screw holes there and 2 screw holes on each side of these. So that's how you're gonna be able to mount these. This is gonna be a pretty simple installation. So we got all the metal braces installed. So like I said, there is 3 sections to this. So pretty simple, you know, mounting this. Before you actually install this light strip here, there is a warning. So what it's saying is you want to put this in a very specific way so you don't warp with the silicone. Well, there's a quick guide, which is right here, right there. That is a little, you know, so you start at the very bottom and then you go to the top and then you kind of pop in the 2 centers. That's what it looks like in here. So let's go ahead and try to do that. The first part, when you put it on at the very bottom, let's try to get the wire connectors to go through the little hole down there. So you can see that. So this is now flush to down there. So make sure that's nice and flush, and we got that started. But don't go all the way up. Now you want to go to the other end and start on this side. Slide that off and do the same thing. So we're gonna push that into the grooves, the channel. Yep, just like that, kind of snapped in. And then kind of push it in that way. And kind of do the same thing right here into the center, like so. And then that way, we can push this in along the length, and it'll look nice and smooth. And we'll do the same thing up here. I'm just kind of working it through until it's nice and snug into the channel. Yeah, I can see why they definitely recommend doing that, because there is some flex with that, but that looks really nice and clean. So make sure you take 2 seconds and just do it that way. Really simple process. You know what? I think that's it. Basically, we just plug this in, go through the Govee app, and do all that fun stuff. Let's make sure it works properly, guys. All the magic and all that will happen inside the app. Trust me, we'll get there eventually. But yeah, look at it works. Pretty cool, right? I love it, and especially when it comes to the special effects. This is gonna be pretty sweet. Let me go ahead and get the app pulled up, and let's start configuring the setup and see how awesome this is gonna look. All right, so I got the Govee app pulled up now on my phone. So we're gonna start adding all these cool devices in here. So one thing is, once you have Govee already installed in your environment, it's super easy to add new things. So I'm just gonna go into the app right here, Govee's app, and I'm gonna go in the top right-hand corner, which is, there's a little plus sign right there. It already found my floor lamp right there. So let's go ahead and hit add. So right now it's connecting to it, and it's gonna say, please short press the on off button. So I'm gonna come over here and just push the button real quick. So pushed it once, and now it found it, just like that. So floor lamp basic, we'll keep that name. I can go into it and change the names later. So let's hit done. It's gonna pull up my Wi-Fi password, name and password. So it's already saved in there. So I'm gonna hit done, and it's already gonna sync it to my network. That's how easy this is. So let's just give it a couple of seconds as it's connecting to the Wi-Fi. There we go. And then all these are the specific settings to the floor lamp. Let's change the color. Let's do blue, just like that. See how it changed? Let's do red. Yep. Very interactive, super cool. There's millions of colors that you can play around with it. You can actually come into the little spool right here and play around with these different colors. But yeah, see, look at, as I touch it, and changes. They also have some predefined scenes in here. So let's try nightlight. Let's see what nightlight looks like. So now it dims it pretty low. I got a lot of bright lights on. We'll definitely probably have to, we'll fine tune this. We'll just say that, okay? They got like a movie, they got technology, Yeah, so it's kind of doing some patterns and stuff like that. You can see right over there. So super, super freaking cool.